Hello guys, welcome to pre.code and today we are solving one pattern problem. Firstly, I can explain you this problem what it is. User have to uh, user have to give input of number n. Okay, so he get pattern something like uh, uh, sorry, something like this. If n is equals to 1, then 1. If n is equals to 2, then I think it looks like 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, and 2, 2, 2. If it is 3, if it is 3, then 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. I think it's enough. 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Oh, sorry, 3, 3, 3, 3. Like that. Okay, this is the pattern, and we have to print what I can do. Firstly, I can explain my approach as a first mind. I clicked that we have to make this box like I am telling you. Wait. Firstly, I think that we have to create this box with this pattern only with the help of for loop. Okay, after that I think I'm doing something wrong. This is extra. Yeah, this is correct. Firstly, I think that we have to work on this thing. Yes, now it is correct. Firstly, I can made this pattern, then I can flip it, then I can flip this out. Then what I can get, I think I get this thing. Then okay, and then I can copy the logic of half part and create another half part. So I can use loop and loop and loop, which is not a optimal solution, right? So firstly, I can tell you the optimize approach idea, which usually doesn't come to our mind if we don't practice it out. Okay, so firstly what we can do, we can name this matrix as m. Okay, so we have to create one more matrix, that is m dash. What is m dash? Now this m dash refers to why I'm not able to print this. Okay, I can tell you m dash is equals to the n minus m, then we will get this matrix. Now again we can create this 3 minus 3, that is 0, 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0, 0, 0. For next line 3 1 1 1 0. After that 0 2 1 0. Okay, then 0 1 0, then 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, now I can explain you this thing that oh shit, I can explain you one thing. Like if it is this row is I, then I is 0, for this I is 1, for this I is 2, for this I is 3, for this I is 4. Okay, and we can use this row as a j, So this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is J and this is I row. I. Now, what this 0 represent? This 0 comma 0 represents that the minimum distance from all the borders. All the borders, what does this mean? That is top, left, right, and bottom. What this 0 represents that the value the value of minimum distance from all the borders. So we can calculate for this 2. Let's suppose this is 2 comma 2. So 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 4 4 uh 2 comma 2, I think we can calculate, right? For 2 comma 2, the distance from top border is how much units? 1, 2. That is 2. Now, how much distance from the bottom board bottom layer? That is again 2, right? What about left and right? Both are 2 and 2, right? So the minimum becomes 2. Minimum of min of top, bottom, uh, left, right. Right, we get 2. So 2 is the answer for this position. Now, we have to print this matrix, and this matrix we can get from from m is equals to n plus m dash, and we get our desired output, right? I can also show you one more example. For example, we have to calculate the value for uh, 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. Then what is the distance from the top border? 1 comma 0, this top 1, that is 1 from bottom. How much distance? 1, 2, 3. 3 unit of distance from the bottom border. Then left, from left I think 0, from right I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So minimum of top, bottom, left, right is 0. 0. So answer is 0. So let's go. I think now everyone can understand what is the problem and how we can able to solve it. So firstly, we have to uh, 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 import our, oh sorry, import our things and main return 0. Okay, I think everything is correct. Now, firstly, we have to take the input of variable n, that is type of int. Okay, then we have to uh, create one vector, vector, vector of length, vector of int whose name is m dash, and whose size is n. Let's suppose distance matrix. Okay, okay, hash include vector. Okay, so firstly we have to calculate distance for, this is not a vector, this is not a vector. Okay, so I think we have to take the array for this, right? 2D array. Okay. Okay. Why my laptop is hanged? We have to take 2D array. That is how to take array I int a of type n comma n. I think this is the correct way, right? This is distance matrix of every variable from now. Int I is equals to 0, then I less than n, then I plus plus, which is for this i's iteration. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is 3, if this is 3, if user can input 3, then how much iteration for I? That is, i's iteration is up to 2 into n minus 1. Okay, that is 2 into what is n? That is 3 minus 1. That is 5. Okay, I think this is a simple thing. You so we can take one more variable, that is size. For size we have to calculate 2 into n minus 1, and we have to iterate for this. Remove this. Firstly we can just calculate and print it. Okay. So we have to add one more loop. This is also j plus plus. Okay. Now we can iterate for I and j. Now we have to calculate the distance for this thing. Firstly, we have to calculate the distance from top. That is int of top is equals to, we have to calculate the distance from top. That is, this is top, है ना? This top is calculated by I. That is, I's position is top position. Okay. Then for bottom bottom is for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, right? For how we can calculate this? We can calculate this by, I can tell you. For 2 comma 2, we can get this 2, like the total size minus I. What is the total size? That is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus the current value of I. The current value of I. That is current value of I, and we are starting from the 0th index. So we can again minus 1 and we get 2. Okay. So we have to write like this, size minus I value, because we can iterate from 0. If we can iterate this thing from 1, then we don't need to subtract minus 1. Okay. Now value for left represents j, the current value of j. It will show the distance in uh, horizontal manner. So int top, left, right is again calculated by size minus j minus 1, right? Hmm. This is size, and now for actual matrix, firstly we can see out the minimum of minimum of minimum of top top comma bottom then minimum of left comma right, because minimum only takes two variables at a time. So we can run this. Why we are not getting anything? Why we are not getting anything? See out is correct. Min is correct. Should I print hello here? Then it will run. Or there is something else. I think I get some problem. We can delete this. I got it. It doesn't run because it will wait for the input. I'm so stupid. Input. Now I think it looks good. Due to this, it doesn't print anything. 3. Okay, we can remove this. Run again. Taking input as 3. Yes, we can get our desired distance matrix. Now we have to print this m, and we can get this m by subtracting from n, right? So we can int value is equals to n minus the value of distance, the minimum distance from all the borders. No need to. Right, I think this is correct. And we get our desired output. Yep,